In Igbo language, there are 36 alphabets. They are called Mkpụrụ, Edemede in Igbo, and thus they are as follows: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, H, Q, H, I, E, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, D, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. So they are different from the English alphabets, as in their sounds are different from that of English. They are called Mkpụrụ, Edemede, and they are 36 in number and divided into two: the Mgbochiume and the Udume, that is the vowels and the consonants. So these are the 36